In today's comparison, we're diving into Wave versus Zoho Books to determine which software has better reporting tools. If you're looking for clear insights into these platforms' abilities to help you track finances, make informed decisions, and simplify accounting, stay tuned. I'll be giving you a fair breakdown of both, but there might just be an alternative that outperforms them both. Let's start with Wave, a free accounting software that offers a lot of features at no cost. It's especially popular for small businesses and freelancers. When it comes to reporting, Wave offers essential reports like income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. These are fairly standard, but here's the kicker: Wave's customization options are limited. If you're hoping to tweak reports or pull more detailed data, you're going to find Wave's reporting capabilities pretty basic. Next, we've got Zoho Books. It's a more robust platform and is ideal for small to medium-sized businesses. Zoho Books offers all the essential financial reports you'd expect, including profit and loss, balance sheets, and tax summaries. But here's where it gets interesting. Zoho Books gives you more flexibility. You can customize reports more extensively, giving you the option to add custom fields and filters. For businesses with more specific reporting needs, this could be a game changer. The third thing I want to highlight is the integration capabilities. Both platforms connect with your bank accounts and credit cards for automatic transaction imports, which is useful for generating reports without manually entering every transaction. However, Zoho Books has more integrations with third-party apps, which could be a major advantage if you use other tools for invoicing, payments, or customer management. Wave is more limited in this regard, which can restrict your ability to expand reporting capabilities using external tools. Moving on to the fourth thing, Wave has a significant advantage for those looking for simplicity. Its reports are easy to generate and offer the basics that most freelancers or small business owners will need. But if you have a more complex business structure with multiple departments or revenue streams, you'll find Wave's reporting tools to be a bit lacking. On the other hand, Zoho Books excels in this area. It's more suited for growing businesses with its more detailed and sophisticated reporting tools, including the ability to drill deeper into financial data for more specific insights. The fifth thing you need to consider is support. Wave has a solid community and online resources, but when it comes to personal support, it can be tricky to get immediate help. Zoho Books offers more direct customer support options, and their team is usually quicker to respond. If you find yourself needing to troubleshoot complex reporting issues, Zoho might be the better option here. Now, to wrap things up, both Wave and Zoho Books are solid tools, but if you're looking for better reporting and customization, Zoho Books is clearly the winner. It offers more powerful tools for businesses that need detailed, customized reports, and is better equipped to handle growing business needs. However, I've tested both, and while they each have their strengths, I've found a better alternative for those who need even more comprehensive reporting tools. If you want to try this out for yourself, take advantage of the free trial using the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that you won't find elsewhere. So, don't miss out, click that link and see what's really going to work best for your business's financial reporting needs.